Really wanted to do this outside, but I couldn't. Hmm. $157. Oh, current is already rising. Okay, I'll just real quick limit the current. You don't want it to be instant fire. So far it's handling very well. It's already at 6 volts. It's fucking raining. Wasn't all those dumbbells outside, no worries. But now I'm at the highest place in here, where smoke detectors are for noobs. How is this silicon handling this? We're already over the absolute maximum. Oh, the current just dropped. I also find that some kind of protection. I think it just blew up already. Must have already blown out. Yeah, I think it's already blown out something. Yeah. Was it? Oh yeah, now the current is rising. Oh, it's gone over the limits of the current. I think it just shorted out. It just shorted out. Yeah, I think the power management chip is now completely shorted out. Wow, off to a great start. Can't see any smoke yet. I've got my safety glasses on for this. Let's open up the window further. Oh, the current just rose significantly. Increase this to an amp. Let's see what happens. This thing should be able to take an amp. It's 6 volts again. No smoke, but the current is dropping. What the hell? This thing is so strange. I can't see anything happening on this board. Would have been less scared if I could do it outside, but this thing is not water resistant. It's got ventilation holes all over the place. Oh wow, 700 milliamps now. Not even smoke. No smoke at all. It's really bolt really well though. I don't know if the camera's molten or anything, because I've left the cameras attached just for fun. After 700 milliamps. 5 watts. That's 1 amp on 5 volts. I can attach it to 5 volts later if possible. See what that does. I'm now going through the batteries. The current has just risen significantly, and then now it's doing strange shit. And I think it just stopped working. It's down to 182. I'm gonna try powering it on. Okay, the current is back up. Oh wow, 1 amp, 1 amp. 1 amp. And the current has dropped again. I guess it's shutting off internally? It must be shutting off. Yeah, it's shutting off. Because I think it's detecting the over voltage and shutting off. I may have to tap into the 5 volts then. And I'm just so scared because I'm inside. I just I don't like this. Like, let me just rewire this to the 5 volts and see what happens. It's wired up to 5 volts now. See what happens if I increase the voltage on the 5 volts. Nothing. Literally nothing. What the hell? Nothing's going wrong. Being a pussy, I'm just gonna limit the current. Oh my gosh, if it wasn't for the rain outside, if I'm too scared to do this, I'll do it next week outside. How is it taking 10 volts? Okay, 5 volts. I had 9 volts by accident at one point. Oh, it was turned off. It won't stay on now. Oh, hold up. It's shorted out. I have to get something to hold that button down. I don't know what. What if I just set this to 10 volts? Oh! That was scary. Oh yeah, now it's permanently shorted out. Now the buttons... No? Yeah, look at that. It's now actually completely shorted. That's good, actually. Ow, I think it just went open circuit. I think the fuse just blew or something. The chip is looking pretty bad. Hearts is not making a good connection. Yeah. Oh, I just grounded itself out. Clips are getting hot though. Okay, I'm gonna try rewiring this. Yeah, it went open circuit. I'm gonna try wiring the ground somewhere else. I think it's completely shorted. I'm gonna experiment around with this further. Alright, it's reattached. Okay. $12 volts and it's still going. What the hell? What is up with this thing? Come on, short out. That was my probes shorting. That's 15 volts. What? Nothing's shorting. We'll set it to 100 milliamps because it's not pulling that much current. What? Oh, now the current is rising. It just blew out. What? That's the maximum it can take. That's the maximum the power supply can give it. I think the 5 volt blew up. I think the 5 volt blew up silently. Nothing's happening. Loving that Wemtech peep, although everybody else finds that thing annoying. Yep, it's open circuit. The 5 volts input is now open circuit. I've blown it out. First part. Okay. It's rewired. Okay, I'm just gonna set it to 31. With the current limit, I'm just gonna increase the current. Slowly. Oh wow, yeah, the battery terminals are completely shorted. Let me just check. Yeah, it's not shorting out on the board, although I have scratched the board significantly. Nothing's smoking yet. Oh, the current just dropped by quite a bit. I think I can hear noises. The reason I'm not plugging in the speaker to it is because I won't risk my speaker for this thing. I just want to let it soul out. But I cannot see anything happening. What the heck? One amp at 8 volts. And the current and it has just dropped again. Increasing it further. Yes, I'm a pussy when I'm doing this inside. If I would have just been outside, I would have already increased it to 31 volts and blown it out. But I'm inside, but I'm at the highest location when there aren't any smoke detectors, and that's where my server lives. So if my server was down during this is why I stole the power from the Wi-Fi router, so that I could plug in my Wamtech. Increasing it further. It's already shorted out at this point. Like it's already almost completely shorted out. Like look, the voltage just dropped again. But nothing's getting too hot, although I think I can see the power chip deforming, so that one must be getting pretty hot by now. At least the battery terminals are still going. I actually tested the battery and it could actually deliver up to 5 amps because my multimeter probes are almost about to give out, so... Why is it just like trying to stabilize at 5 volts? I'm already at up to 2 amps almost. And nothing's gone wrong yet. And I wasn't looking at the camera this whole time. Because I'm trying to look at the board to see if anything goes wrong that's interesting. Why is the voltage stable at like 5 volts? I've set it to 31 volts just because I can. I don't have the fan of the Wamtech going yet. That's incredible. Even though it's under this much stress, I think I can see the CPU doing something. Although that spot may be there already for a long time because it blew up as well. The GPU blew out and then later it completely blew out. Along with the NAND and the RAM. I'm pretty sure the NAND is also gone. Look at the voltage just going all over the place even though I'm increasing the current. Almost at up to 3 amps. I can smell the board. I can now actually smell it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's desoldering itself. I can see the solder melting on the chip. It's literally desoldering itself. The power chip is desoldering itself. I hope it's visible on the camera. Look, it's bubbling. The chip is desoldering itself from the board because I'm putting way too much power through it. 12 watts through the battery terminals. I don't think it was designed for that. Let's bring it up to 3 amps. See what happens. Hopefully no loud bangs, but just a bit of smoke. And then I'll open the window further. I'll open the window further just in case. Okay, that's as far as it goes. The chip is stinky. The chip is actually getting a melted spot now. It's actually melting now, the chip. It's getting stupid hot. And the action CPU seems to also be doing something strange. Wow, this thing is doing mad thing now. Increasing the current again. I really like the Wamtech beep. It's such a nice loud beep that everybody hates it. And mine, oh wow, I can really smell it now. This reminds me when my first Raspberry Pi died. Oh my godness, that thing actually started glowing when I plugged it in, and I still have the same power supply I used. It was my 4 amp reload charger. I still use it, although it's half dead now. The reload charger, only one port works. I can really smell it. I can feel the heat. I can feel the heat coming off of this board. But y'all wanted me to do this. Y'all wanted me to blow up my Actions tablet. Just I'm gonna do it. I've let the cameras attached because I cannot reuse those. Those are paired to the board and firmware. Oh wow, yeah, the chip is now there's the first bit of smoke. Nice. Zoom in on that. Yeah, she's smoking. It's smoking very lightly, but it is smoking nonetheless. And it's getting worse though. It's gone now. Like, it's absolutely gone. Look, it's smoking. It's melting. 15 watts going into the chip, 3.6 amps and 4.32 volts. And it's actually unstable now on the power supply. Oh, it made a noise. It made a noise. Luckily I have heaps of storage now on my Sony. I'm not gonna increase it further until it stops doing shit. The chip must actually be shorting out all of its pins now, because it's desoldering itself. I think it's over 500 degrees Celsius or something. Okay, it's not doing anything anymore. It is not actually rated for this amount of current through the battery contacts. I think it can only do like 2 amps max. Oh, I can smell the classic Chinese silicon burning. I remember the smell from my cheap dock died. It's now actually burning out. Like, it's actually now burning out. I wonder how the CPU is doing though, but I'm not touching anything. The Wamtech is now screaming its fan, but you can't hear it over the wind. The voltage just dropped further though, so it must be doing something again. Must be going through wave 2. Wow, the chip is actually turning a different color. It's glowing! It's glowing! Oh dear! Wow, it's glowing! The chip is literally melting inside now. Wow! It is literally glowing! The freaking power management chip is literally glowing. Well, that must be the end for the chip then. Although I don't know how it survived 31 volts. Oh yeah, now the smell is getting real bad. But it's still glowing, so I'm not increasing the current for safety reasons. I don't want to do it. Like, I'm just gonna increase it very lightly. Oh, it's glowing more now. But it's literally turned a different color. You can't even recognize the part number on the chip, which is the same thing that happened to that dock. So I just destroyed it. And just taking parts off of it that I can. Oh, it's glowing in a different spot now. Although it's not really that visible on the camera, so I'll turn down the exposure. Look, it's literally glowing. Oh, it's glowing very bright. It's glowing very bright. Oh, hey. Oh, the other chips are now starting to go. I will be turning down the current because it was getting very violent. Oh, wow, whoa, whoa, whoa! It's going crazy. It's literally going mad. It's. Oh, whoa! Oh, okay, that was too bright. That was actually too bright. I don't want it to glow that brightly. Oh wow! Oh, that's at 6.5 volts. Look at what happened. Whoa! Wow! Look at the carnage on the board. This thing will definitely not be salvageable anymore. I will be turning down the current a whole bunch. I think it's actually glowing now at an amp. I don't know. Increasing the current by a whole bunch. Well, I guess I don't have to actually extend it. Look at the smoke that is literally leaving the chip. And the CPU is thinking, nah, it's fine. I think the CPU is actually already completely dead. Or it's just not delivering power to those chips. But I think the 1.8 volts got hit or something. Or the LED. 2 amps. 2 amps. I can see it glowing in a different spot now. Look at it go. Look at it glowing. It's literally glowing very brightly again. And it's so bright, it's actually generating UV light, and I'm turning it off again. Oh wow, yeah. Turning down the current. And it stopped. Look, it's actually at 12 volts. What the hell? Oh, it's doing shit again. Whoa, okay. Yeah, that's very violent. 100 milliamps, 200, 600. Oh wow, yeah. Look at it. It's just sparking. This is what the Wamtech was made for, actually, because I can always see it in toy destruction videos, these little things. But it's always the simplified version. I couldn't find it, so I just got the more expensive version, because the other one was not available in my country. Increasing the current. The current is actually the best way to blow it up, though. It's more controlled. The battery chip is going out. The battery chip is blowing up. Look, the battery chip is going down now. Oh my, the smoke is just rushing past it. How smoky is it here? I don't know. But wow, look at that shit go. Okay, set the exposure back to normal. Oh wow, no, the smoke is going to the Wamtech. Oh dear. Wow, this thing's actually holding quite a good smoke show. I'm gonna have to leave it ventilating here after this. Otherwise the smoke's gonna pour down to the smoke detector downstairs. Wow, it's just going everywhere. I have wow. Look at it go. That ship is literally baking itself. I'm gonna slightly increase the current. See if it gets any worse. Oh, whoa! The entire chip is now actually not straight anymore, and my phone is running out of power. So I'll turn this off and get my phone cable, plug it into my Wamtech, and just continue onward. Oh, that poor chip. Well, it was already broken. Look at the carnage. Just get an overview. Those inductors broke from dropping it a bunch of times. Wow. Oh wait, I didn't realize the amplifier got damaged. The amplifier got damaged. Okay, I'll get my phone charger so I can continue on filming. Alright, let's just continue onward. Let's turn on again. And the chip is smoking. Did I close the door downstairs? Yes, I did. If I didn't, because it's already stinking a bit downstairs too, so good thing I did it up here. The smoking is so beautiful. Increasing the current a whole bunch. 1.1 amp. It's melting more. When will it stop smoking? Because it's stopping the rest from dying. Or maybe that thing just shorted it out across the power chip. And also, I do not recommend you to try this at home. I know what I'm doing. I've had electronics blow up in my life before. Let's get it to die quicker. We'll put 2 amps. Wow, it's violet now. Oh, it stinks. The smoke is going to me. Oh, it did a thing. Wonder how the Wi-Fi chip is still surviving and everything. The voltage has dropped quite significantly, so something else might also be going down now. And we're increasing the current. The chip is smoking a whole lot more now. Nothing else is happening. Look at that smoke that's going past my hand. Like, what the hell? It's just not going to me. That's annoying. Just go away. I want to breathe off oxygen. But I just don't want to leave y'all waiting. I just want y'all to see the action support. Just let its soul out. And it's currently doing that just much slower because I don't trust it here. I don't trust the fires that can happen. Otherwise I would just smash full current through it at once and just see what the fuck would come out. But now, it started to rain and I cannot do this outside now anymore because grandparents can come home soon. And I don't want them to see me doing this. Wow, whoa! That board is now actually unsalvageable now. Must be the temperature sensor, I don't know. Increasing the current. I think it's starting to glow now. Glowing like an incandescent light bulb. Well, the chip is starting to stop smoking now. It's been turning a different color. Up to 2 amps again. Yeah, it stopped smoking. But it's starting to glow severely in the one spot where it was smoking all the time. Oh yeah, yes, she glowing. Look at it glowing. It's glowing. It's glowing a lot more now, and it just went out. The chip just went out. I think it just stopped working. Need to be very careful with these buttons, but these knobs, because they turn very easily. And they can sometimes register that you're turning it, even though I didn't even turn it all the way. Very annoying. These rotary encoders. Oh wow, there's nothing left of that chip. It's just become a blob. Blob of nothingness. Why is nothing? Oh! Yeah, the voltage has gone down a whole bunch. I think it completely shorted. Let's increase the current until something happens. I think it's that chip holding it back. I wish for a new action tablet which won't blow up, like actually. Even if it's not the same one, I will still really like it. Yeah, what? Nothing happening. Almost up to 3 amps. I think the board completely shorted. But don't just leave yet. I'm continuing onwards. All the way until it stops taking any current and just is open circuit forever. Why is nothing happening? .283 and nothing. Oh, it's glowing again. There is a freaking resistor or something glowing now. Or a capacitor. Tiny SMD one. .4 amps. It's taking the 3.4 amps. Also, just to mention, these clips went on here very easily. Like, they just put them on there first try. Wamtech is starting to blow out hot air again because it's getting over 50 degrees. Yes, I've looked online what the max temperature is. Also, some units are actually defective. They won't power on and the fan will not work correctly. I'm glad mine works. Why is the voltage dropping? I'm increasing the current. Almost up to 4 amps now. It's still not doing anything. Okay, we'll put the pinky on the output button. For example, if anything goes catastrophically wrong. But why is it just glowing dimly? It's just not doing anything. And a whole bunch of things I've got to desolder, it seems like. From the heat. For what? Why nothing? Why is it not doing anything? I'm increasing the current a whole bunch and it's not doing anything. Well, it's glowing brighter now, actually, finally. But the voltage is staying the same. Why is this? It's still glowing in the same spot. It's literally not doing anything. If this gets up to 10 amps and nothing happens, I'm just gonna leave it. But if it goes catastrophically wrong, I'm gonna have to turn off the output power, turn on the current and start again. It's already taking 5.5 amps and nothing's happening. Oh, it's glowing brighter now. You have to come home now. I'll stop. Six amps. 11 watts. Oh, it's glowing bright now. Brighter than normal. I think that's a resistor. Like, that must be a resistor or a capacitor. Maybe that capacitor just broke. Wamtech is wailing again. It's getting a bit hot. And it's getting stinky. So it's getting really hot now. I wonder how that solder hasn't just melted yet, or the entire board. Well, kudos to China for making this thing so... Oh, wow, it's getting really bright now. It's dimming again. Stinking a whole bunch. I think I can see smoke. I think it's smoking away. The voltage is increasing. Whoa! Shit! That's what I meant with catastrophic failure. It literally catastrophically failing. Turn on the current and start over. I hope that's all exiting through the window and not going downstairs. Let me just check around. I hope this is all going outside and not going downstairs. near these smoke detectors, otherwise I'm gonna also have to open the windows down there, because I just don't want any smoke to go near the smoke detectors. But you saw that, huh? You saw that catastrophic failure. Wow! That's what I was after if I was outside. I just wanted to let it die peacefully. Not like that. Increasing the current of all bunch. I'm still doing fine steps because then I can control it easier. But you saw me getting scared. I wonder how that hasn't... Yeah, okay, the voltage just increased a lot, so all the current just got dumped in that when that thing broke. Everything got a mark now. Look at how bad it is. It is so damn bad. Yet it's still not giving up. We're just trying to not blow out completely slowly. Once it is open circuit, I'm done. Once my grandparents... Oh, I saw a Sparky. Oh, I see another Sparky. The voltage just gone up and it's dropping. It's unstable. Oh wow, it's sparking. I think I've set up a chain reaction of blowout on this thing. It's still not stable, but I'm increasing the current because it's not doing anything. But that was just 6 amps full on into that chip. And not to mention, we're still inside. I don't trust the weather. I know that there's the grandparents coming home soon. I can actually feel my Wantech getting warm now. Something else is stealing the current. Something else is stealing the current again. We're gonna get another catastrophic failure, I think. It's gotta be another catastrophic failure, I think. I can't see anything going wrong, but it's pulling current. I can see what broke on the 5 volt, the chip just blew up. Why is nothing happening? Come on, just smoke lightly. It's gonna be one of these again. Or did I just see smoke, or was that just my hair floating by? Why doesn't it do anything now? I don't want it to go up to 6 amps again and just short out violently. I'm gonna drop down the current to 3 volts now. Just maximum charge voltage. I can smell it. I can smell it. You smell something getting hot now? Do something. Lamp temperature is screaming, do something. Now this thing can do up to 300 watts, but I'm already smacking a lot of current into it. Why is it taking so much? Dropping down the voltage again because I'm scared and shit. 3 volts. I think it's permanently shorted out, but I'm not sure. This is smelling a whole bunch though. That's gonna be another one of these ones, I think. So that's why I dropped down the voltage to 2.6. Because that's what it's staying at, 2.5, 2.6. Don't know how it's doing this. Yeah, the Wemtech's actually getting warm now. Wow, it's almost up to 7 amps. It's going to be another one of these violent ones, which is why I dropped down the voltage. That must be completely dead by now. If it doesn't do anything anymore at 10 amps, I'm calling it. I'm calling it dead. 7 amps. 3 amps away from stopping. If you don't do anything, I'll stop. Oh shit. Oh shit, something's going out. Something's going out. But violently. Why is everything so violent now? I just wanted to die in a different way than just being violent. Oh. Crap, that's at 6 amps. Oh, it stopped pulling current. Did I just flash? It seems like they programmed something in to blow it out of it intentionally at a higher voltage. Oh, it blinked. That must be the capacitors discharging into it. Because this thing's got pretty big capacitors. 10 volts again. Dropping down the current because I'm a pussy. Now it's just a matter of increasing the current again. Whoa! And the voltage just went up in one bunch. Oh, it's barely pulling any current now. I think it's almost dead. It must be dead now. Whoa! That scared me. That was the capacitors, eh? I told you, this thing has capacitors, can discharge at a very high rate. I think it's dead. It's completely dead. It's dead. It's finally fucking died. It's dead. I'm calling it. I cannot do more than this. It's completely dead. Look at that, 31 volts, maxed out the power supply, and not doing anything anymore. I'm calling it. It's dead. It's completely dead now. Well, I'm gonna ventilate out there and clean up. But here's the final result. Getting it in crisp 4K, this result. Wow! That thing ain't turning on anymore. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down to 3.7 volts and try again to power it. If it doesn't pull any current anymore, it's dead. That's what I mean by very sensitive buttons. It's not pulling current. It's dead. Oh, watch out, Spider. He almost walked over the broken action stabbled on 31 volts. It's dead. This is just a load from the capacitors almost about to give up. And I cannot go higher than this. It's maxed out. And the higher voltage versions output less current. So I didn't get those. Well, that's that then. Rip the action stablet. Just connect it. Wow, these probes got hot. Well. Oh. Nah, that was so violent. It burned. It made a mark on the bottom of the motherboard. Wow. And it made a mark on the floor. Oh well, luckily nobody gets here often and they will just think it's normal because the room never gets cleaned anyway. But if I can get this in crisp 4K, Let's see if I can focus this thing down a whole bunch. No. This Sony phone is already just annoying. Wow, it just blasted the internals out. You can't even recognize it anymore. It's just completely scorched and burnt and broken and dead. She's gone now. Like, she definitely won't work. And the cameras are absolutely fine. Those survived. That's incredible. The CPU is not even warm. The CPU didn't even get any power. Well, I'm calling it. That's the end then.